Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. So today I'm gonna show you how to create the header file in MPLABX. So first of all, you need a working project, so your existing project. So I'm gonna use one of my projects. So load it up. So now you can see that the header file folder has no file in there, and the source file, so I have the source file for LCD, and as you see that, so all the function that I created, it's underneath the main routine. So if you leave those code in the main, it's gonna make your code really cumbersome. So my idea is to separate all this function to the separate file. Okay, so before you even start to do that, make sure that your code is correct, so no syntax errors. So the best way to do it is to hit build and observe the result. So build success. So if any failure, you have to fix those syntax first before you proceed to next step. Okay, so now header file. So header file, you go to the header file folder, right click, new, and make sure you select the C header file, and you, as you see here, it's a H for header. Okay, click on that, and now it's prompt you to give it a name. So because this header file is dedicated for LCD, so I'm gonna name it LCD underscore. This is the 8-bit, so I'm gonna put 8-bit LCD header, any name. You can use any name, and make sure extension .h. Okay, and this will store in the same project folder. Okay, finish. Once that's done, and you will see the template that's given to you. So I want you to erase everything except this. If you created, you want to leave your information, your date that you created is fine. This one just comment. Okay, so now it's blank. Then you go back to your code, your main code. Then you copy all the function. So you copy all the function. Okay, so I'm gonna do Control X, so I cut that and I will paste in here. Okay, so like so. And the best way to do, I would like to grab the function prototype as well. Okay, cut that, put in here, put it on the top. Okay, so I'm gonna confirm is anything left related to the function. So there's nothing left, so everything's good. Okay, so now go back here and check this. It's gonna be an underlined red like this because you haven't compiled yet. So now I'm gonna hit the build button again to see if everything corrects. Okay, so I have some issue here. The reason for that, I need to include our library, because as you see this function I use here, it had to refer to the header file. So I'm gonna add the line here, include space, and then you will see the LCD 8-bit header file right there. So just double click on it and it will pop up. So now that means your main code will link to the header file that you create over here. So now I will hit the build project again. You see, so now build success. So you see that in the main file it's a lot shorter, so no other code after that, because those code have been put into the header file here. So that means if in the future you're going to use LCD with other projects, all you have to do is just copy this file in the project folder and place that in the header file folder, and then call it to the main projects. So that way then you don't have to use type the code again and again. Just copy the entire file, put into the new project. It's all done. I hope you find this easy, and I see you next time. Bye now.